So let us continue the next question, that is 22nd. Let me read the question. A student performs experiment with a simple pendulum and measures the time for 10 vibrations. Vibrations in the sense it is oscillations. Okay. If he measures the time for 100 vibrations, the error in the measurement of time period will be reduced by a factor of how much. See, why error occurs? Because different systematic errors, everything is there. So if you do more and more trials, means error has to reduce, correct? Initially he has taken how many this one vibrations or oscillations? 10 oscillations. One particular error is there. If it is 100, how many times it is increased? 100 means 10 times. 10 into 10 means 100, right? So 10 times he has increased the trials. That means how many times the error has to be present there? That has to be reduced by 10%. Correct? So what we do is we just a basic mathematical calculation it is. So let us take down. When number of trial increases, error starts to decrease. So let us take percentage error in 10 vibrations. Let us take individual trials. Okay, basic maths. 10%. Okay, percentage error in 100 vibration. How many times the trials has increased? 10 times, correct? So 1% reduced to that much. So next what we do, let us calculate that. Now what we do, percentage of error which has to be reduced. So percentage of error reduced is equal to 10 minus 1 divided by 10 into 100. So answer is 90%, correct? First initially 10 vibrations, then he made 100. That means how many extra vibrations he has taken is 90 extra vibrations he has taken. So how much percentage of reduction of error has taken place? That is 90% of reduction of error has taken place. So our option is what? Our option is option 2. Let us go for the next question. It's about error. Okay, that means significant figures. The number of significant figures in the given number is like this: 0.0006032. Okay, so in a right now it is a decimal number. So yes, according to decimal number, what it says, extreme left non-zero. That means 6 is the first most significant figure. Okay, MSF. Extreme right digit may be 0, but here it is 2. So least significant figure. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer is 4 significant figures. So question number 23, option is B. Next question, 25th question. The radius of a disc is 1.2 centimeter. Okay, it is given radius of a disc 1.2 centimeter. Fine. Next, its area according to idea of significant figures. Area of a disc, what is that? A is equal to pi r square. So 3.14 I will take into r square. So 1.2 square. Answer. So soon after multiplying and taking square of 1.2 square, so what we have to get is 4.5216. 4.5216 centimeter square is the answer we get according to the normal calculation. But here you can see which of these two has got least number of significant figures. That is 1.2. The rule is there, correct, for multiplication. So what we are supposed to do, according to the rule itself, we have to calculate. So answer should be how much now? Answer should be consisting of only 2. So whether it is able to round off? No. So answer is 4.5 centimeter square is the answer. It's a correct answer. Okay. So this is actual normal calculation. This is by taking the proper significant figure. So hope this is clear for you people. This is actually regarding the calculating the final answer with proper significant figure for a multiplication operation. Next question, let us go for 25th question. 25th question says that a stick has length of 12.132 centimeter. So let me write down. A stick has a length of L is equal to 12.132 centimeter, and another stick has length of another stick. Let me take L1, L2. Okay, L2 has 12.4 centimeter. Total number of total length L dash equal to L1 plus L2. Right now it's a basic operation L1 plus L2, but here you can see here more number of resolution is there, less number of resolution, but which has got the least number of decimal place, that is L2. So our answer, final answer also should be in that form itself. So how much is that? 12 point. So what is that? 1, 2, 3. Maximum is 3. So which is the suitable answer there, which is 12 plus 12. That means I'll just add up directly. Okay, so 24.5. That means three significant figures. So centimeter, and rest of the equation, that means you can see there 2 point not possible. 24.53 has become 4 significant figure, not possible. So ultimately the one and only answer which is present in that particular question, that is option 2. That is 24.5 centimeter is the proper answer. That is about the adding of two values with respect of significant figures. Next, respective number of significant figure for the following numbers. I will write down the following numbers. Okay, that is 23.023. Next, one more number is there, 0.0003. And one more number here I will write down. Okay, that is 21 into 10 power minus 3. We are supposed to write a number of significant figures here. So I will here for this one, what is the number of significant figure? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because including 0 here, correct? So this is 5. What about here? Extreme left non-zero. That means extreme right number maybe 0 whatever, because it's a decimal number. Only 1 it is. So this is 1. What about this one here? 1, 2. And this is rest thing is, what is that? Power which is raised. So not considered. So it is 2. So 5, 1, 2. Which is the option? Option 1 is the answer. That is 5, 1, 2. These are the significant figures which is present in that question number 26. So question number 27, let us move on to the next question. And the 27th question says, if L is the length of simple pendulum and G is the acceleration due to gravity, okay, then the dimensional formula for L by G to the power half is same as that of, when you think about the simple pendulum, always remember the formula. Time period of simple pendulum, you have derived this one, that is L by G, correct? So it's also can be written as 2 pi L by G to the power half. Like this also it can be written, correct? Dimension formula of this one should be equal to this one, correct? That means what is this T? T means time period. So our answer should be what? Answer is time period. That is option C. No need of again writing down the dimensional formulas, all those. Directly just remember this. A small substitution it is. So let us go for the next one. That is question number 28. Question number 28. Okay. Hope it is clear for you people. 27th one. Just writing down the substitution, and this is time period. This is just for time period case. Next is, if eta is the rigidity modulus, R is the radius, L is the length, and C is the moment of couple, then it is given moment of couple, it is mentioned, C is equal to moment of couple, that is nothing but torque, because rotational motion it is, correct? That means F into D I can write. And next what they have asked here, eta means rigidity modulus, that means given by stress by strain, correct? So I will take change in dimension divided by original dimension. So stress by strain, force by area. So what is the directly? I can write down the dimension formula for that, and dimension formula for couple. Yes, of course. What is that? This is ml square T minus 2, same as that of energy. What about eta? That is ratio of, no. So that ratio of that is will be given, that is m l pi minus 1 T square. So square here minus it is there, correct? Fine. So these are the two dimensional formulas which are present in that physical quantities which are mentioned in the question. That means couple means two equal and opposite forces acting at a point. So rotation takes place. Once a rotation takes place means, yes, it is same as that of torque. So that is why torque as well as this dimension formulas I have written. Now what we do is, what they are asking in the question, they are asking what is the dimension formula of the equation which is given. So what is the equation they have given there? This is 2LC divided by pi eta r power 4. That means 2, leave it constant, L just L length, C means couple, that means torque, ml square T minus 2 divided by, next what is there, pi means a constant, leave it, eta means, yes, rigidity modulus, that means how much is that, ml minus 1 T minus 2 R4, that means L power 4, this much remains. So now when you start evaluating this one, so L square is there, here minus 1 L is there, so all L will cancel, M will cancel, T also will cancel. So ultimately what you get is, it remains with M0, L0, T0, which is nothing but dimensionless. Dimensionless, whether it is there in the option there? No. So out of those four options, all those are actually physical quantities. Angle is given in the first option. So first option angle means, of course, radian, steradian. Those are actually solid angles as well as plane angle. They doesn't have any unit as well as they doesn't have any yes, unit is there, radian, but what about dimension formula? Dimension formula is not there for that. So this will represent the same as that of angle. That is why option is angle. And why angle? Because it is dimensionless. So that is all about the question number 28. So question number 28 we have just solved, and the substitution which will give you dimensionless, because M0, L0, T0, so which is equivalent to what? One of the physical quantities. What is that? Angle, plane angle or stereo, that means solid angle, are one and the same. Okay, fine. Next, let us go for question number 29. The question is very simple. The equation which is dimensionally correct, it is mentioned there. You can check there. V is equal to U plus AT form is there. V equal to ut plus at, not possible. S equal to ut plus at cube is there. T is equal to s plus a is there. V is equal to u plus at is the actual form of the equation. But here they have given option A as V is equal to u plus half at. When you check, this is actually a proper equation. Here a constant extra added up. Okay, it doesn't matter. It doesn't change the equation or the dimensional formula. So this option is also acceptable. So option number 1 is correct. Now what we do, let us go for the last one, that is question number 30. Okay, so question number 30 says dimensional formula of a gamma in relation. So we are required to find out the dimensional formula of one physical quantity. Okay, gamma, okay, so dimensional formula is what? Okay, no need of writing gamma, so I will just write down the equation what they have given. It is given that velocity is equal to square root of gamma p divided by speed of sound, okay, like this, by rho. Newton Laplace's correction for speed of sound in air. Next, that is the equation, okay. So now what we are supposed to do, find out the dimension formula of rho. Rho means this one. So remaining things what they have given, P means pressure, V means velocity, rho means density of the medium. So individually I will write down the dimension formula of velocity. Velocity means LT minus 1, correct? What about pressure? Pressure means force by area. So force by area means it is M L minus 1 T minus 2 Next, density is there, mass by volume. Density mass by volume means m L minus 3. Now what I do, I will just write down this as it is. So left hand side LT minus 1, right hand side square root is there, right? I'll just write that gamma like this, half. Okay, remaining thing what is there? Pressure. How much is that? M L minus 1 T minus 2. Okay, divided by rho is there, M L minus 3. For that what I write? For the whole I will take the square root like this, separately. Okay. So next, soon after the substitutions, you can see here half m cancels, L minus 3 plus 3, L square it is, L square cancels, L also goes. What about this one? T also. That means L value will end up with only L power 1. What about T? T will end up with, here only minus 2 is there. So here no, there is no T parameter. So this will remain with 2 cancels. So LT minus 1 in the left hand side of the equation. Gamma to the power 1 by 2 is there. Here also LT minus 1. So cancels. So left hand side of the equation, right hand side of the equation, LT minus 1 cancels. So hence, is there any dimensional equation which is present for the gamma value here? Is no. So what we can say, the correct option is for 30th question, that is dimensionless. So that is all about today's topic. And today's topic what we have done is units and measurement, P01, first module of physics from first year chapter. We have solved around 30 questions, and individually we have discussed in detail. So practice well. When you get the PDF of this particular question paper, write down the question and you on your own you solve. So when we give the explanation in the upcoming class, that time you can verify. So when we do the class, suppose you have written the questions in separate notes, means it is very good, because in all the modules, around 20 modules we are doing, 30 questions from each module, you will be having a separate notes for that. So it's a good practice for you people. So thank you.